The GIM and SAS partnership is more of an academic as well as the technology partner for GIM. When GIM was planning to introduce Big Data Analytics course, the idea was to offer some cutting edge technologies to their students and provide them real hands-on experience so that they can be getting some good jobs, decent jobs in some of the better organizations as soon as they complete their post-graduation. So SAS helps the GIM with trainers, education course notes, course material, and we also prepare them to appear for the global exams, global certification exams, as well as placement interviews. So it's more beyond just academic partnership.
We offer, a suite of applications in terms of data management capabilities, analytics, as well as visualization technologies. So the integration of, the SAS technology into the BDA course curriculum is to, get the students, up to specs in terms of what the industry is looking for, in terms of, creating, data fluent, data savvy managers. This is our third visit to GIM campus in the last 4 years, and each visit has been a very wonderful experience for us. Very beautiful campus with a wide variety of flora and fauna, and a wonderful atmosphere for education and learning. And as they say, learning never stops at GIM.
One of the best part that I personally feel is the availability of high-end analytics software. So they have software labs for data management, reporting and visualization, analytics, high-end technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. So these softwares are available to the students 24/7. Two ultra modern labs are made available to the students. They can come here, practice 24/7, and there is never a shortage of any machine.
It's very encouraging to have this infrastructure here for students to come at their convenience, post the class time, and come and do more hands-on. And as a matter of fact, on a couple of occasions when we had visited the lab post class time, in the evening time, very happy to see students coding, programming, doing that kind of stuff, and it really brought a smile to our face.